Hit it, Duck! Charge it, Duck! Go on then, Duck! Keep it up, lads! Guts and glory, lads! Now it's our flipping point! That's the way you do it! Time to get bluttered! That'll teach him! That wasn't supposed to happen! Aye! What just happened? You bleeding idiots! Fire! 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 I'm burning! Fire! Freedom! Have at them, lads! Get them belows! Kill them all! Let's do it! And that's the way to do it! Come on! Roll back to hell, you bloody cart! Back you bloody go! It's rolling back! The cart's moving back! It's rolling bloody back! Mind the cart, lads! The cart's moving back, lads! Stop that bloody cart! Stop that cart, lads! Go! Push! Put your backs into it, lads! Push! Push, lads! Mush, lads! Get to the cart! Stay close to that bloody cart! Lads, get to the cart! The bloody cart's not moving! The cart is bloody stopped! The cart's not moving, lads! We did it! Hello, every single one of you! Not you. Imagine if I hadn't been drunk. We did it! See? I told you they were a bunch of wee lasses. I don't think they saw that one coming. If I wasn't the man I was, I'd kiss you. It's a fine thing, lads. Bloody spy! Spy around here! Spy! That Scott's a bloody spy! That soldier's a bloody spy! That heavy's a bloody spy! That demo's a bloody spy! That spy's a bloody traitor! That medic's a bloody spy! That engineer's a bloody spy! That sniper's a bloody spy! That pyro's a bloody spy! Thus begins my 1,000-year reign of blood! Dominated! I feel everything! I know everything! It is the dominating! Welcome to the dominating! Don't hide behind your toys, lad! You're weak, I'm strong, and I win, toy maker! That's a right pretty bra washer you built, you big ugly girl! You come wide at me again, boy, I'll stick that wrench right up your arse! Go on and build more of your little guns. I'll shove every one of them up your arse. If you are hunting trouble, lad, you found it. Dominated, you grease-dripping pork pie. Oh, there's a new gravy-filled angel in heaven. Dominated, you blubbery Bolshevik. Oh, there's a new angel in heaven. In hell. Little too much caber-tossing pie down your own throat, eh, chubby? Dominated, you Teutonic nussmate! How's that doing no harm working out for you then? Dominated, and I've been shagging your wife. Ha ha! I dominate, you sawbones! You've brought shame on your people, you mumbling devil. Go home, lassie. Men are fighting here. Go to hell and tell the devil I'm coming for him next. Burn in hell! Dominated, Twinkle Toes! Dominated, you wee scampering windbag! Dominated, tiny man! Don't come wide with me, you pint-sized mutt! You're like a little bunny, scurrying around, eating up your lettuce and berries. You're so bloody tiny! You're like a toy-sized version of a man! Grow some hair on your face and come and try me again, lad. Oh, you're a wee little miss, you are. Perfect bloody domination, you campy weasel. Dominated, you head-shotting Judas. I hate you campers. Everybody bloody hates you. It's lads like you that give war a bad name. Dominated! I'll notify your next of kin that you sucked. Hey, Private Haircut, I might have taken a bit too much off. Your head! Mother of mercy! Now that is a bloody domination. Lot of good that soldier training did you. I'm drunk. Dominated, you alley-skulking backstabber! You're a back-poking snake, and by God, you'll die like one! I hope I didn't scare you with my face-to-face man-fighting. There can be only one! Aye! There can be only one! Your ass is ass, and I'm the grass man, punk, you Hamlet heathen. How do you want to know? I love you, man. If you think you're better than me, you're for another thing. I'll take both of you on, you foolish chicken. Is that just a one-eyed bloody monster? You can't tell him it's cynical. Is that you can't tell him it's cynical. Gonna kill you, and I'll keep killing you, and I'll never, cause you're gonna be dead, and I'm gonna kill you. How do you wanna know? It's on! It's on like... Just bought 2 tickets to the gun show, and I'm not giving them to you. I'm going with your tickets. I was going to take down to the train station in Trade Town. Go! Move it, lads! Get going! Cheers, mate! You're doing good, lad! Head left! Go left! To the left! Head right! Go right! To the right! Help! Help me! Give us a hand! Give us a hand here with this point! Help me capture this bloody thing! Come here, lad! Help me capture this! I can't hold him off alone here! I need some help holding him off! Get over here and help me defend, you idiot! Incoming! 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 Who's laughing at me pink wig now? That's unicorn bloody justice! Domination is bloody magic! Dominated! You wee unicorn-hating piece of crap! Dominated! According to unicorn law, you're me bloody wife now. Ah, me beautiful horn! The pink hair, it burns! Freedom for unicorns! I've got pink hair! Unicorn brothers! Tonight we pony prance in hell! I'm a unicorn from hell, and I'm coming for you! You cannot stop the magic! I'm bearing a message of peace! Boo! I'm drunk! You don't have an excuse! I feel like every bone in my body's broke. I did what I could. Oh, I've really hit rock bottom. Thankfully, I already don't remember this. Bloody hell! Bug up, lads. We'll get 'em next time. I almost joined their bloody team. We're a sorry bunch of losers. Medic! 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 Move the gear up, lads! Move that gear up! Move that kit up! Oh, brilliant! Oh, now would you look at that? Aye, 'tis nice. Aye, that'll do. Abso-bloody-lutely. Pure, dead, brilliant. Oh, what's your name, you pretty little thing? Clankers at the gate, lads! Robots at the gate! Robots are taking the gate, lads! Ah, the robots took the gate! The tin cans have the gate, lads! I'm back! What did I miss? Back from the bloody grave! Good on you, medic! I'll rest when I'm dead! Freedom! Ha ha! Oh, I need a drink! Ha! I'm back! I'm back, lads! Need a dispenser here! Need a sentry here! Need a teleporter here! Oh, me mother Tilly. Oh, bloody hell! Ah, creep! Bah! Good shot, lad! Good shot, man! Nice shot, man! No! Nah! Ah, no! Ah! 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 Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Ah! 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 Oh, that's smart. Bloody brilliant! Well, all right! That's the spirit! Ah, that's the stuff! That's the way you do it! Sentry ahead! Sentry coming up! Sentry up ahead! Ah! Me head! Ah! Me wee head! Ah! Me head! It's wee! It's a wee head! Ah! Me noggin is huge! You're a devil! A devil! You're wicked! And you'll burn for it, Marasmus! Oh, this is not good. What is happening? What's this now? What the bloody hell? What magic is this? He's got that book that stole me eye! That dark book is full of magic bombs! That Demoman is about to blow! You call those bombs, you wee little romance novel? I'll show you bombs! Watch out, lads! That book's the Demoman! The student has become the one-eyed master, ye fancy perfume catalogue! Ah! Oh, who's laughing now, wizard? You should not have done that, wizard! Your magic is weak, old man! What manner of witchcraft is this? The wizard's healing himself! Kill him! Kill him! He's healing himself! You better hide, wizard! I'll kick you back to wherever hell you crawled out of! Wizard! Show yourself! Marasmus! We've got unfinished business, you and I! And by God, I'll see it settled! Marasmus! I'll have me eye back, you shifty dog! Marasmus! Give me my eye back, you wizard! Marasmus! I got your nickel! Give me back me eye! Wizard! You turned me on eye against me! And by God, I'll kill you for it! Eye for an eye, wizard man! I'll chew the eyeballs right out of your skull! This Demoman needs an eye, wizard! Ha! Yours'll do just fine. Marasmus! Hell zombies! Run! Ah! Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh, bloody epic! Ha 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 ha! Guts and glory! Oh, I'm full of bombs and magic! Magic and mayhem! Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's magic. Now that's quality. Too much magic! It's the devil's work! The bridge! The bridge! We can get to the island! Go! Go! It's the witching hour! It's midnight, lads! Freedom! To roll a wheelchair to hell! Let's send that old man to hell! Caputus crepitus! Pactum diabolus! Sais mela tremoro! Barpo cabalto! Barpo invisium! Imputum fulminus! Invocum monoculus! Invocum monoculus! Oh, me eye! Am plus tripudio! Pedum celerus! Ipsum instantarium! Deus invictus! Mortis animateris! And that's what you get for touching that! Hey! Me bottle of scrumpy! You appear to have trodden on the mine! How's that feel, you blockhead? That was my point you were standing on! Next time you'll bloody ask before you stand on my point! Bloody hell! Those ones were my favourites! Let that be a bloody lesson to you! I had me good eye on you the whole time! Couldn't you see the bloody bombs? Boom! Kablooey! We did it, mate! I didn't need your help, you know. Stand on the bloody point, you half-wit! Stand stand on the point, you git. Thanks, mate. Hey, thanks. Hey, thanks, Duck. Thank you, Doctor. Thanks, Duck. Thanks for the raid. Thanks, lad. Hey, yeah.